All right, y'all. So we already got this thing, 700 of them. Does this thing spin? Oh, this thing don't spin. What the heck is going on? Literally 45 miles an hour. This thing is gonna spin tires. That's nuts. One hand. Fuck you talking about? Woo! Woo! Too much. Woo! Yeah, the Hellcat nice. We didn't confirm it, y'all. It's nice. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally got our Hellcat Charger all cleaned up and all the above, man. You guys know we got that thing from Copart recently, and it came looking like just totally whoop and beyond, man. But we got that thing cleaned up, fired up, and you guys see the title now, man. It's time to finally take that thing on the first freaking ride. I've been a little bit under the weather, but we are back in the garage, ready to get some stuff cracking and ready to make this thing shake. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2022 Road Glide CVO in the blue steel, man, $25, the cheapest giveaway we ever had with the best giveaway bike we've ever had, man, is now. $25 can win you this thing. You can have us pulling up to your door just for supporting your boy Everything Regular at everythingregular.com right now. All you guys got to do is go over there and grab your movies only patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Like I said, $25 for the $60,000 CVO, man. It could be you next, man. You guys know what to do. Head on over there right now and go get your entry. Meanwhile, we're about to get up in here, get this first drive. We might even be able to mount these wheels up and see how far they poke out compared to the wide body. As you guys know, this is the narrow body, so we'll see how further they poke out than the stock wheels, and we'll see if we can mount them things up and get it going, man. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road now, gang. Alrighty, so we can move the lamb out the way, and I think we should be able to get this Charger going pretty soon. Let's see. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna hop right in this joint today, gang. Let this thing warm up for a little bit. Oh, no key. Gotta go get the key. Thought I had the key on me. I guess we can move the Lambo first. Ah, we got the keys. We got the keys. We got the keys. We got the keys, gang. Alrighty, so now that we got that moved out the way, we can actually fire this Hellcat up, man. Let me go get the keys real quick. Let's see if we can get some Hellcat action, man. Let's see if this thing will fire right up for us. It's still looking good from the other day when we cleaned it. That's the thing about white. It's gonna stay clean until it's not no more. Feel me? Big startup, little SRT. Little SRT, man. We about to hop in this joint and slide real quick. Man. I can't wait. Alrighty, man. We got that thing pulled out. Got it ready to go. Got them pipes slurring in this joint. We're gonna see if we can get this first ride in, gang. Alright, y'all. So we already got this thing in 700 of them. Let's see what we got. I know it's not that wide body, that's for sure. That wide body get too cracking, like what? It just slide. Maybe it's the wheels. Meatier tires on this joint. Woo! That thing just slid across the block, didn't it? See, this one don't got a cold air intake, so you're not gonna be able to hear it like that Daytona, man. So let's see. Does this thing spin? Oh, this thing don't spin. What the heck is going on? Hold on, man. Let's see. Where is it at? Where is traction control? Okay, so we got this one off. However, it's got to be another one. The way this thing is like still. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, that's better. Let's see what we got now here, gang. Let's see what we got. Whew, 700 of them, track mode, traction off, everything ready to go. Let's see. Woo. 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 Ho, 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 ho. I think that's all she wrote. That's all we needed. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna even hold you. Woo! Yeah, that thing go nuts real fast. I ain't gonna even hold you. Now we can actually have some fun in this thing, man. Now we can actually have some fun. Because that traction control wasn't on. Oh, well, now it's not on now, but it was on the first time when we hit that block. So now, literally, 45 miles an hour, this thing is going to spin tires. That's nuts. Braking the tires at freaking 50 miles an hour. That's freaking crazy, bro. Let's see. Let's see how this thing sound, gang. Ooh, we sliding anything though. Let's see what we got, gang. One hand, fuck you talking about? Woo! 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 That's what I'm talking about. Ooh! That's what I'm talking about. Get some then. Come get some. I ain't gonna hold you. This Hellcat's so freaking nice and fun, bro. Like literally just so freaking fun. Let's see. I'm just hoping no popo or nothing behind us. Come get some! Oh my God! Ooh! This Hellcat's something serious, man. Let me go put this up, man. I'm gonna be having too much fun in this joint. Too much. Too much. Woo! Telling you, I'm putting this up. Oh my God. Yeah, the Hellcat nice. We didn't confirm it, y'all. It's nice. Oh, it's time to get some real work done now because I'm having too much fun, apparently. I'm having too much fun. Let me go park this thing, man, before we get some calls. Horse playing. Woo, at 60 it's losing. Woo, it's losing traction at 60, boy. Love this Hellcat, I ain't gonna hold you. Love this Hellcat, I am not gonna hold you, gang. Alrighty, we got this thing on some open road out here, baby boy. Open road. Open road, we got the Hellcat. All the oohs and the ahs. SRT me up though. Y'all see what's going on, gang. It's up. Just like that, guys. We done made it back to the house. I ain't gonna hold you. This Hellcat nice. It is nice. Once you take off all the traction and stuff, man, this thing go yay to the yay, man. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is sick, but I'm ready. I'm more than ever like ready to freaking spice this thing up, man. So I'm gonna go find like a little jack in a 4-way so we can test fit these rims and we can see how much they poke out on this narrow body versus the wide body, because you guys know the wheels are going on here regardless, man. So wide body's already shipped out. I'm just waiting for that thing to come in the mail so we can put it all together. But all in all, man, the first ride on this thing, it actually feels really, really freaking amazing. So I can't wait. We about to go up in here and get situated and try to find a jack or something, man. Let's get it. And just like that, we got a new jack, 4-way. So we should be able to get this freaking charger in the air to be able to switch the wheels, man. Let's see what's good, gang. And so now that we got this thing in the air, we got the stock wheel off, big SRT himself. We got them Corleone forges on that bad boy. Now she do look good. However, I just went to AutoZone myself and I totally forgot these dang screws that I told myself to get. So we don't have any screws for this wheel, unfortunately. And then not only that, man, the 4-way can't even fit in there, so we gotta find a better socket, and then we gotta find some freaking bolts for this thing. So can't even mount them up, but you guys just see how much wider these wheels are, or needs to be with the wide body, man. So no big deal. I can't wait. At least we know they're gonna fit and work. And then when we get the wide body in, that thing just gonna kill it over the top, man. So I can't wait. I'm about to snatch that wheel off, get the stocks back on there, and pretty much just park it until all the other parts get here, man. I can't wait though. And now that we know we need like screws or bolts rather for our Hellcat, we can move this truck out the way, pull this blue thing out, get a first ride on it. I ain't gonna go too crazy because the transporter should be here in a few hours, man. I just want to ride it around the block and see what's good. Let's pull this truck out real quick and see. And just like that, guys, we got this thing pulled out, started up, and all the above. I don't know why this shit focusing like that. This shit tripping. But we gonna slide on this thing and get up out of here, gang. I don't know why that thing tripping like that. I swear I'm gonna start getting scared of these first rides, man. I swear it's like always something. It's always something. So this freaking outer bezel, it's actually too freaking tight to even screw anything in there. This thing came off and snatched the whole other piece off with it. But I mean, hey man, it's not that bad. I'm sure if we clean it up, it'll look like cool again. I'm just like, I ain't gonna hold y'all, I'm just over it at this point. I really am just over it at this point. For one, I don't really care to ride the Road Kings, and just to have something like so small like that just freaking just irritate me. I'm over it, man. But this bike will be getting picked up today, and it's off to the winter, man. I can't wait. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2022 CVO Road Glide, man, now is the time. $25 can have us pulling up to your house with the best bike on the market right now, our 2022 Road Glide CVO in the blue steel, man. That thing is probably not even at your local Harley Davidson, and if it is, it's probably already got a soul sign on it, man. So if you guys want something great just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Movies Only patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We're almost sold out. It is almost that time to go live, man, so I can't wait. Meanwhile, today we did try to test fit our wheels on our Hellcat, but you guys know we didn't have a screw, so we wasn't able to fully do it. So meanwhile, our wide body kit for that is coming. When we get the wide body kit in the mail, we'll take the wide body and the car to the shop, and they can do all of it at the same time. Meanwhile, man, we actually took our Road King out for the first ride today. It was cool. However, we did have the freaking headlamp ring fall off and just tumble down the road, man. So life can never be just perfect and how you expect it, man. But we'll continue to try and hope for the best, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. What did you guys think about the video, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. In the meantime, man, I will catch you guys on the next one. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Until next time, man. Peace out.